The flight descended rapidly, rolled abruptly to the left, crashed, and burst into flames. Those were the last 7 seconds of the Learjet 45 crash on the morning of January 28. Was it bad weather, equipment failure, or human error? The CCTV footage offers some clues. What you see captured here is a nearly 90-degree turn just before the crash. It's almost like a breakaway maneuver usually executed by fighter jets. But aviation experts say this is highly unusual for a private jet. Senior pilots point to several possibilities: an engine failure, a malfunction in the controls, or a last-second attempt to visually align with the runway made too low, too late. The crew had already aborted one landing after reporting the runway was not in sight. On the second attempt, they again struggled to visually acquire it. They eventually reported runway in sight and were cleared to land, but without the usual readback. Flight tracking data shows the jet was still moving fast, between 130 and 140 knots, that's roughly 250 kilometers per hour, suggesting the approach was not stabilized. At airports like Baramati, that matters. Baramati is a VFR-only airfield. There is no full air traffic control tower, no instrument landing system, which means everything from alignment, height, and descent rate depends on what the pilot can see and decide. Experts say while visibility may have been adequate on paper, the situation can be different on the ground. Patchy fog, ground haze, or weak approaching lighting can distort depth perception during the final seconds. At smaller airstrips, those visual illusions are harder to correct. Then there's the runway itself. Baramati is classified as a tabletop runway. It's elevated and narrow. While it isn't among India's most notorious tabletop airstrips, Kozhikode, Mangalore, Lengpui, Shimla, and Pakyong are, the risks are well documented. At Kozhikode in 2020, a Boeing 737 overshot the runway in heavy rain and poor visibility, plunging into a gorge and killing 21 people. A decade earlier in Mangalore, another aircraft overran the elevated airstrip and fell into a valley, killing 158. Optical illusions can make the runway appear closer than it is. Tailwinds, rain, or late corrections can add to the risk. The final answer to what really happened lies with the black boxes, which have now been recovered. Data recovery, however, could take 2 to 4 weeks to actually tell us what happened in those 7 seconds.
Mo.